don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to explore a city through its food? For the devoted fans of Top Chef, this dream finally came true in season 22, episode 5. Um, Initially, the season's focus on Canada was met with a mix of excitement and disappointment. Uh, Viewers were eager to see the beauty and diversity of the nation, but the first few episodes were confined to the studio kitchen. However, the latest episode uh, changed everything. After 4 intense studio episodes, the show ventured into the bustling streets of Toronto. Um, uh, the episode, led by Christian Kish and Dale Simmons, felt like a breath of fresh air. Contestants were given a real world challenge, cooking alongside local culinary legends. Bailey, fresh from her Last Chance Kitchen comeback, added a thrilling twist, but the biggest surprise, no quickfire challenge. Instead, chefs were tasked with working in various Toronto restaurants, each representing a unique cuisine to distinct Indian, Greek, Filipino, and Thai dishes lined the menu, culminating in a grand presentation at the Bentway. The competition was fierce, with a double elimination round. Despite the challenge, some chefs excelled. Unfortunately, Kat and Corwin found themselves in the Last Chance Kitchen. Season 22 is finally living up to the promises made by Gail Simmons. As a Canadian native, she was thrilled about the show's relocation. And Simmons emphasized that this season is not just about cooking, but about showcasing the charm of Canada. In an interview she shared, Canada is enormous and we can't cover everything, but we're excited to explore the rich culinary landscape of this beautiful country. It's clear that Top Chef is regaining its momentum, much to sort of the delight of its fans. Uh, and, you know, with Kristen Kish back at the helm, the future looks bright. Just a lighthearted note, if Toronto ever decides to host a Food Olympics, it might just steal the gold. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye. Thanks.